Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy GNO GNOSIS Token on Coinbase. So for the first step, we will have to log into our account, and after that you will arrive at the home page. For the next step, we need to click on Buy and Sell in the middle option on the right top corner. Click on it and the buying overview will be opened. So the first option they will give you is a purchase frequency. If you click on this one-time purchase, then they will show you the different purchasing frequencies they are available, and just select one which suits for you. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase, and you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use. Let's say we would like to spend €2 on these coins. Fill in €2 and now you have filled in the amount we are going to spend in total. After that, you can select the asset we are going to buy. Now the Bitcoin is selected, but we would like to buy GNO GNOSIS Token. Click on it and tick in the search bar GNO. As you can see, there is the coin we want to buy. Click on it and now it's selected. After that, you also can select the wallet you would like to use to pay with for these coins. Click on it, and if you don't see any options in this list, just add a new payment method, and if that is not available yet, then you have to verify your account on Coinbase first. Make sure to do that, because otherwise you can't buy crypto on Coinbase. After you have added the payment method, it will appear in this list. Now select the payment method you would like to use, and after that you can click on Review Order. As you can see, if I click on it, they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. We are going to buy for €2 in total, and the Coinbase fee is free today because I have a subscription for Coinbase One. If you don't have that subscription, then you will pay 99 € on this purchase. They also give you an option to invest on a weekly base. You can cancel it at any time. And if you select this option, then these €2 will be spent every week on these coins. If you would like to buy the coins, then click on Buy Now and they will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.